Good morning! We are headed to Epcot to go do the tea tasting at Rose and Crown Pub. Mom, how much did the tea tasting cost? I think it was $35.
Yes.
Yeah, so the tea tasting was $35, though I think the price has been raised, but it includes like breakfast, essentially.
Yeah.
It's like scones, I think little tea cakes, and then different teas to taste. So I'm so excited to take you guys along because this is something new that we haven't done before. So we are headed to the bus and we will see you guys over at Epcot. Rosie! Rosie! Let's see you in your dress. Rosie! Hi! Rosie! Hey! Oh, she's fancy. We just got to Epcot! Say hello! She's mad because I'm making her ride in the... She wants to push the stroller.
In a circle.
In a circle. Which is what she did for hours last night back at the hotel. But we have a tea tasting to get to, Rosemary. And she doesn't want to go. She wants to push the stroller. So we are headed in. We will see you in England. I'm so excited to do this tea tasting. Hello friends. Okay, so we just got to Rose and Crown. They sat our party and I just wanted to show you, sorry, I just wanted to show you this setup. It's gorgeous. There are 4 different teas. And then we noticed this, which I believe is a tea timer for how long you let the tea steep. So it's got green and white tea, black tea, and then the herbal tea. And then Rosie is already in her party dress. Rosie! Are you eating your puffs? Yes. 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 And then there's Suze.
Good morning.
I'm from a city called Leicester, which is right in the middle of England. If we've got any football fans with us today, you might have heard of my team Leicester City. In 2016 we won the Premier League at odds of 5,000 to 1.
So I tried both of my teas black, which I prefer. I drink black coffee too. But I just added a cube of sugar to my chai tea because I think it's just the way that it tastes. What? Why are you laughing?
You're talking like that, like that.
My mom thought I was crazy. And there's not even champagne here.
Only tea.
It's only tea. Okay, I'm gonna get you some more. So I'm trying the chai. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Sandwiches. Alright friends, I'm going to show you what I got here. So obviously you guys know I have a gluten allergy. Here is Susie's is not gluten-free. She's got all the different interesting yummy. And then I got the gluten-free option, which looks like there's like, this looks like a
think it's a curry chicken.
Yeah, I was gonna say it looks like a curry chicken. I don't know, and an egg salad.
An egg salad.
Looks good.
The flour is edible as well, so you can enjoy the whole plate. All right. Any questions or concerns?
Ooh, that's good.
Here, Rosie.
What should I get?
Great. So far, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Honestly, any of these like more intimate experiences, whether it's they're well done. So like this, any of the tours, like even if we're talking not like the VIP tour where you pay like $600 now. We're talking like the Walk in Lost Footsteps tour, the behind the scenes tour, like that. It's well worth the money. Why I look crazy.
Oh, I forgot.
I'm not even looking at you. Would you look at my eyeline?
Even funnier. That's what makes it so funny, I think.
You feel like you're in the Truman Show?
I feel like you're really into it and you're just kind of...
Feel like you're in the Truman Show? Join it. Tea for everyone. Have you ever seen the Truman Show? Where they do these weird, like, things?
Oh, no, I haven't seen that.
The Truman Show? And then Truman's always like, who are you talking to? Because the idea, his life was filmed from the time he was a baby. A movie studio adopted him and then created this world.
Oh, wait a minute.
And the people in it.
Breaks out of when he yeah, I did
But
see
they're always like, when he goes into the travel agency, he's like, I'd like to travel. And they were like, everywhere's already been discovered. We're closed. Okay, it's really funny. He's trying to escape. And of course, the audience is like, you know, everybody's in and they're cheering him on. And I like this better. I don't like the food and wine trips. I don't like that they're in the middle of the day. They feel rushed. And like this is my cup of tea.
I'm a little bit less bothered about the room. That's because herbal teas aren't true teas. They don't actually contain any camellia sinensis. So really we should call them herbal infusions. But we cut them all up and put them in tea bags and brew them like tea.
It's almost like vanilla in it. I would be a much better tea taster than a wine taster.
Herbal teas are made
Wine
with
all
fresh
tastes the
fruits,
same.
flowers, plums.
That's so pretty. Alright, my friends. Here is the gluten-free scones, and it looks like it's got a little bit of jelly, right? And maybe some butter. But here, they might be biscuits. I don't know if these are. No, this is a lemon stone. I can smell it. I never get them.
I bet there's black stones in there.
All kinds.
I know, I'm just saying. I would like to taste that you're having a good time there and I'm not tasting. Is it good?
Oh, I never in my life, you guys. This is so good. I'm bringing this one home.
I don't blame you.
How are you guys doing over here?
Wonderful. I've learned so much and now I know why I was brewing green tea entirely wrong.
As I've said to the past 2 tables, that is definitely something that we get.
I've ruined the tea and now I'm like, the tea is back. Friends, look, we got teas to take home. So excited, and I got all of them to try. No, friends, we're walking over to Studios and they literally overnight changed the entrance of the International Gateway. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can even tell where we are, but here is where the old entrance was with the tickets, is right over here. You can see France behind, and they're filtering people way in that way. Like here are the restrooms. Here's security. So interesting. And then there's tickets. Guest services or guest relations. This is so weird. They literally changed it overnight. We were just here yesterday.
Walk through there.
That's what the International Gateway looks like right now. Coming over to the side over here. I just wanted to show you guys the new Ratatouille building. It's right there. This is it. They've put a facade on the front of it. There's the original, and then here is the new back building. Good evening, friends. Good evening. I am so sorry I did not film after the International Gateway. Honestly, we went to studios, left studios pretty quickly because Rosie was so tired, came home, she took a big long 2-hour nap. Then we played in the splash pad, which is called the Spray Ground Schoolyard or Spray Ground something. And it was so adorable, and Rosie loved it. I mean, oh my goodness. If you're not following me on Instagram, I put up a post. Plus, anybody who follows me on Instagram is getting live updates. So make sure, if you're not following me on Instagram, Allison Wdwgirl, I'll link it below. It's always linked below in my description box. But we are headed to get just a snack. It's like 9 o'clock. We've kind of been snacking on this trip. We haven't done like a ton of sit-down meals. We've just kind of like, I'm a little hungry, I'll get a little thing here. Which is what that's how we really eat in Disney. It's why we never do the dining plan, because we really just would never be able to sit down and eat a meal like that. So we, I'm sure one day I'll try the dining plan. I'm not gonna knock it, because I know that there are people who swear by the dining plan. And we've just never tried it because we really snack, and so I don't know how well it actually fits our eating habits. So we are just headed up to get a little snack. You saw my mom got on the phone because my dad just landed. And they're moving over to Saratoga. Rosie and I still have 2 more nights left here at Art of Animation, and then we're moving over to Saratoga on Sunday. So let's go grab a little snack. I have no idea what we're gonna get, but we will get something. So we will see you in, it's called I think it's the Land of Flavors, or Landscape of Flavors. That's what it's called. So we're gonna just head into their we're just gonna head into their quick service called the Landscape of Flavors and grab a little food. Look at how cute. Okay, let me show you this theming. You guys saw the room tour last night of Lion King Suites, and you wanna push? Thank you. But the theming of this hotel, like honestly, if you just wanna be like thrown in to Disney, Mom, like if you want to be like Disney threw up on itself, I want to feel Disney, I want the whole thing to be just a magical experience, come and stay at Art of Animation. Yeah. This is like, I mean, it's so great.
And do a family suite.
And do a family suite. Yeah, I wouldn't do a Little Mermaid room again. I'm glad I tried it. I get that people are like, oh, but it's like a princess room. Go do a Tiana room then over at Riverside. If you want to do a princess room, there's like no storage, nowhere to put your stuff, and it's been driving me bonkers because we have nowhere to put our stuff. And there's only 3 of us, and one person's a baby. Like, it's crazy. We have no room for anything. But it's still magical because we're in Disney World, so I'm not gonna complain. Oh look, it's Mufasa. All right, friends, I got the gluten-free caprese sandwich, and it looks amazing. And it came with 2 sides, so I got fries, and what else did I get, Mom? Coleslaw. I got these for Rosie. I got these, some strawberries for Rosie. And Rosie started on the cucumber. And Susie's being a good sport.
Although I may eat your coleslaw.
No, go ahead. It's all yours. All right, friends. It's excellent and it's very fresh. This sandwich is much better than the one, they have like a caprese type sandwich at Saratoga. This one's much better.